Aloha mahalo as we look at OKO Arm Lock number 16. Similarly to 15, the beginning starts the same, but the ending is vastly different. Once again, the left leg slightly forward, attack is coming from our green zone, right hand punch. I'm going to control the distance by choosing to step in with my left foot and to block and strike. We're going to do a blit to his arm as we did before. After I do the blit and stop his forward momentum, I'm going to capture that wrist with my left hand and pass through and exchange control with my right hand. Once again, from the beginning, left leg slightly forward, step in, block hit, control, pass through. From here, all I need to do is continue to rotate. If I use this stick as his arm, he comes in for the punch, here's the block and the hit. I'm going to control, pass through. Now my hand's grabbing. I'm going to bring it up at first to my shoulder. From here, I can use my shoulder as leverage to push down on his wrist and to bring his shoulder and elbow up. So once again, from the beginning, as that right hand comes in, I'm going to step with my left and do the blit, the block and the strike at the same time. As I'm going to pass through the arm, grab with my right hand. I can continue to rotate, and as I bring it over my head, all I need to do now is to point my fingers and his arm down at the ground to effect a shoulder throw. So what are the lessons, concepts, and principles here? Number one, distance control. I choose to either step in with my left to close the gap or must step back to my right foot to increase the gap. There's a blit / shoulder stop, block and a hit, and using the shoulder to cancel the second weapon. We have a pass through, as we've seen earlier, especially in the knife counters. 6-point lock, that as I bring his hand up and over, I'm creating a 6-point lock in the air and then eventually collapsing that for the shoulder throw. And as always in all of our techniques, I'm affecting his height, width, and depth, giving us time. This has been a look at OKO wrist lock number 16. Aloha, mahalo, and live pono.